This is Bulgarian yogurt from Bila. Hey, let's go. Bulgarian yogurt.
I don't really like yogurt.
Would you prefer this?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep,
Yeah, zero health strawberry. Yeah, zero health strawberry. Yeah. Is that better?
That's weird. It's kind of like...
What else did we get?
I don't know. It tastes like mint crossed with medicine crossed with energy.
Does it have your vote then?
This one's okay. This is
Some of these as well. My goodness.
Those look interesting.
Yeah, you found a grab and go. What did you buy?
Big, enormous, huge pizza slice.
That is a very big pizza slice.
Yeah.
How much was it?
It was $2.20.
$2.20?
Bulgarian, which is $1.26.
$1.26. In American money, $1.26.
Yeah.
That is a big ass slice. Look at that. Yeah, check it out. Grab and go. Grab and go in Sofia. Here's some Bulgarian food. We have the spicy sausage. A stuffed something.
Pepper maybe?
Big old stuffed bell pepper, isn't it, with cheese?
I think so.
I don't know. And you know what might help?
Looking at the bottom side.
Looking at the bottom. One of those.
That thing.
This thing. Looks interesting. That is a... That is a that. A big old pepper here stuffed with everything. Looks rice and all sorts. Yeah. And stuffed spinach leaf. We know that one, right? Is it? No, it's not spinach, is it?
Grape leaf? I don't know.
Grape leaf, something like that. Yeah. Okay, well, there you go. Spicy sausage. Reasonable pricings at Villa, but they don't like you taking pictures. Candies. Ah, look, they got 7 days. Shane Henry.
I don't know, but you just can't prepare. Here. Oh God. Try it. What is it? Is it like...
It's fat. I mean, it's animal
It's
fat.
like fish juice or something. It's like fish... I don't know.
A little. Uh-oh. Beat patrol. Oh no. No.
That is really, really, really bad.